Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create detailed infographics with the key concepts from a YouTube video in this case, using Google's latest and greatest Gemini 3 and then also Nano Banana. So I'm creating another one over here. As you can see, it has now created the infographic for a content repurposing engine, YouTube to LinkedIn automation. One of the really nice things about Nano Banana Pro is that it gets all of the text correct. So as you can see, nothing looks messed up, and it's actually just taken the summary that I've generated using Gemini 3 from a YouTube video, and it's created this entire infographic. And then from here, if I want to create a LinkedIn post, I could just say create a professional LinkedIn post about this infographic. And then I'm also going to switch over to Gemini 3 Pro Preview because I don't want to create an image, I want to actually create text. So now it's just going to create a professional LinkedIn post from this infographic like I've already done over here. This is my newsletter, and as you can see, I've just got the infographic at the top. It's created the entire post, and then I include a link to the YouTube video down below. This is really good for repurposing content because there's no sense creating this over again from scratch if you've already got the YouTube video with all of the entire transcript there already. So now it's just going to create the entire LinkedIn post, which I can then upload manually. That's the only step you need to do manually. Everything else is pretty much going to be automated. And to that point, I've actually created an automation over here in NAN, which will automatically extract the transcript from the YouTube video using Apify. So I'm just pasting in the URL here. It's going to get that transcript, it's going to format it correctly, and then it's going to pipe it into Gemini 3. So this is Gemini 3 Flash Latest, and we're just issuing the prompt, analyze and summarize this YouTube video transcript using the text from the transcript. So as you can see here, there's all of the text. And then from there, we can put it into Nano Banana. The only issue is that on the latest version of NAN, they don't have Nano Banana Pro. It's just the earlier version. So as you can see, the infographic doesn't really look very good, which is why I'm still doing it manually using Google AI Studio for now, until I can figure out how to actually get this to work correctly. I've tried a couple different methods using KIE and FAL, but those are not working correctly either. So for now, I'm just choosing to do this manually using Google AI Studio. And I do recommend upgrading to the paid plan over here so that you get access to Gemini 3 and then also Nano Banana Pro. And then from here, I could just copy this text right here. And then if I want to create another newsletter over here on LinkedIn, I could come over here, I can create a new edition, and then I'm just going to paste in that text. And then we can also come back over here and save this infographic real quick as well. Just going to save it under downloads, and then we can upload that quickly and easily over here. And yeah, this is a great way to repurpose content so that you don't have to create this over again from scratch. If you've already got the YouTube videos ready to go, you could just grab the transcript, create the infographic, and then create the professional LinkedIn post using Google AI Studio. Hope this has been helpful for you. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and if you have any questions, post them in the comments below. Would be happy to help. And also stay tuned for this complete automation, which I will make a tutorial about soon once it's working correctly. That's all for now. See you in the next tutorial. Take care, stay safe. Peace from Thailand.